Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix low microphone volume Windows 11 increase. Chapter 1. How to fix low microphone volume Windows 11 increase checking microphone by default. To start, enter sound in the search box. Click on Change System Sounds. After this, in the Recording tab, you will confirm that the microphone is set to default. Chapter 2. How to fix low microphone volume Windows 11 increase validating levels. To get started, enter sound in the search box. Click Change System Sounds. Here in the Recording tab, select the microphone and click on Properties. Now in the Levels tab, check that the audio levels are correct. Chapter 3. How to fix low microphone volume Windows 11 increase reactivating microphone. First, in the search box, enter sound. Open Change System Sounds. After that, select the microphone. Right-click on it and click on Disable. After a moment, right-click on it again and choose Enable. Chapter 4. How to fix low microphone volume Windows 11 increase from advanced options. To start, enter sound in the search box. Click Change System Sounds. In the Recording tab, select the microphone and click on Properties. You are going to go to the Advanced tab. Here, uncheck the box, allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Everything will automatically be unchecked. Click Apply and OK. Chapter 5. How to fix low microphone volume Windows 11 increase from settings. To start, press Start and open Settings. In the System section, you are going to go to Sound. Once there, in the Input section, check that the microphone is selected as the main device, and you can adjust the volume levels using the slider bar. Chapter 6. How to fix low microphone volume Windows 11 increase with troubleshooting. To get started, open Start and click Settings. Here in the System, open the Sound option. After that, in the Advanced section, click on the Input Devices line located under Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems. In the wizard that opens, you can interact to find a solution to the low volume error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.